Hello kids, Shubhamangalam. Welcome to Margadarshak Play School at Little Scholar High School. Myself Mrs. Nazrina taking subject English alphabets for you. Okay children, how are you all? I hope all are fine and good. Yes children, today we will learn alphabets A to Z. Alphabets A to Z already in our previous class also we have learned alphabets and also few matching letters to the pictures, matching letters to the pictures. So first we will learn alphabets A to Z. We will write A to Z and then we will go for matching. Okay children. Till now I know everybody. I hope everybody have learned A to Z. Yes, good children. Once again we learn. You should say which letter I am writing on the board. Okay. How to write A? We should use only red line and two blue lines. We should not use this last red line. Okay, we should touch only first three lines. We have learned these alphabets using which lines? We learned these alphabets using standing line, straight line, slanting line and curved line. So 4 lines we used to learn alphabets. Okay, now we will start. Okay, A to Z we will write in order. How to write A? One slanting line and one more slanting line. Yes, one slanting line and one more slanting line, and on the blue line, first blue line, one sleeping line. Which letter is this? Capital A. We are writing big letters. What we are writing? Big letters. So which letter is this? Two slanting lines and one sleeping line. Which letter is this? A. A for apple. Very good. A for apple. Now we will write one standing line, then one curve and one more curve. Which letter is this? Say B. Which letter is this? B. Okay. A, B. B for ball, B for bat, A for apple. This is A and this is B. After A, B, next letter. After A, after B, after A, B. After B, C. After B, C. How to write C? This is C. Okay. Which letter is this? Capital C. C for cat. Capital C. C for cat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. Okay. We have 6 lines children. Capital C. Which letter is this? Capital C. C for cat. Come on, read which letter? A. B. C. After C, D. After C, D. How to write D? Yes. This is capital D. One standing line and one big curve. Yes. Here two small curves. Here B, big curve. Okay. One standing line, one big curve. Say which letter is this? A, B, C, D. After D, D for duck. D for duck. After D, E. After D, E. One standing line and 3 sleeping lines. One standing line and 3 sleeping line. Which letter is this? E. Which letter is this? E. When you are writing in book also, draw lines properly, neatly. Divide the paper into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal parts and write the letters neatly children. Okay. Which letter is this? E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Once again say A, B, C, D, E. After E, F. After E, how to write F? One standing line and 2 sleeping lines. This is capital F. For E, we used 3 sleeping lines. For E, we use 3 sleeping lines. But for F, how many sleeping lines? 2 sleeping lines. For F, how many sleeping lines? 2 sleeping lines. Now say which letter is this children? A, B, C, D, E, F. Say once again. A, B, C, D, E, F. After F? After F, which letter? F for? Say F for fish. F for fish. After F? G. After F? G. How to write G? one big curve. Then go up, touch the blue line and one sleeping line, one standing line. Which letter is this? G. Which letter is this? G. G for goat. G for gun. G for goat. G for gun. Once again say A. Then B, C, D, E, F, G. After G, which letter should come? After G? After G, H. After G, H. How to write H? How to write? One standing line. Yes. One more standing line. And then on the first blue line, one sleeping line. This is capital H. H for N. H for N. Okay. Again read A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. After H, which letter will come? After H, I. After H, I. How to write I? One sleeping line on the red line. One sleeping line on the red line. One standing line. Yes, one standing line. And one more sleeping line. Yes, what is this? Capital I. What is this? Capital I. Which letter is this? Capital I. I for ice cream. Capital I. I for ice cream. Yes, once again say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. After I, which letter should come? I, J. How to write J? One sleeping line. One sleeping line on the red line. One sleeping line on the red line and one standing line. Come straight, touch the blue line and curve. Touch the blue line and curve. Which letter is this? J. Which letter is this? J. Again, once again read A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Yes, once again A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for gun, H for hen, I for ice cream, J for jug. Yes, J over A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. After I, J, K. After I, J, K. How to write K? One standing line. One standing line and two slanting lines. This is K. Capital K. Yes. One standing line and two sleeping lines. So which letter is this? K. K for kite. K for kite. After K again read A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. I, J, K. I, J, K. After K, L. How to write L? One standing line and one sleeping line. This is L. Capital L. Yes. I, J, K, L. I, J, M, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. I, J, K, L. I, J, K, L. After I, J, K, L. I, J, K, L. Again say A. Are you able to say, children, which letter is coming next? Yes. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. I, J, K, L, M. Yes, you told? Yes, good children. M. How to write M? M for monkey. M for monkey. How to write M? One standing line. Yes. One slanting line. One more slanting line and come down. This is capital M. M for monkey. M for monkey. M for mat. M after M. Again say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. N. Now to write one standing line, one sweeping line. Yes, one standing line, one slanting line. One standing line, one slanting line and one more standing line. So which letter is this? N, capital N. N for net, N for nest, okay? M, N after M, N, O. How to write O? One big curve. This is O. This is capital O. Which letter is this? Capital O. Yes. Okay, read from here. Which letter? K, L, M, N, O. After O, P. After O, P. M, N, O, P. M, N, O, P. Yes. I, J, K, L. Four letters. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Yes. How to write P? P for peacock. One standing line and one curved line. Okay. M, N, O, P. Then Q. M, N, O, P. Q. How to write Q? One big curve like O. Yes. From inside the O, draw a slanting line. This is capital Q. What is this? Capital Q. M, N, O, P. Then Q, R, S, T. Say M, N, O, P. Then Q, R, S, T. Again. M, N, O, P. Q. After Q, R. R for rat. R for rat. How to write R? One standing line, yes. Then one curve and one slanting. This is capital R. R for rat. Capital R. R for rat. Again, M, N, O, P. Then Q, R, S, T. M, N, O, P. Then Q, R, S, T. How to write yes? Yes, this is S. S for sun. S for sun. Q, R, S. After S, T. Q, R, S, T. How to write T? One sleeping line on the red line and standing line. One sleeping line on the red line and standing line. Again, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Four letters, children. Here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Four letters together. Four letters together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Four letters together you will read. Okay. A, B, C, D. Yes, say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. After Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. After Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. Yes, after Q, R, S, T, U. How to write U? This is U. First one standing line, and when you touch the blue line, curve and go up. This is capital U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. After U, V. U, V. How to write V? V for van. Two slanting lines. Yes, this is V. V for van. V for van. Again read A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. For four letters you should stop. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. U, V, W. How to write W? One standing line. Yes. Slanting. One more slanting and go up. This is W. W for watch. W for Watch. QRST. Then UVW. After UVW, XYZ. After UVW, XYZ. X out to right. This is X. One big standing line. And one more big standing line. Which letter is this? X. X after X, Y. After X, Y. Out to right Y. One small slanting line and one big slanting line. This is capital Y. Yes. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Out to right Z. Z for zebra. On the red line. One sleeping line on the red line. Then slanting line and one more sleeping line. This is capital Z. What is this? Capital Z. Okay. We finished all the letters, children. Now we will read once again A, B, C, D. Okay. Come on, say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yes. Four letters together now. Four letters together. A, B, C, D. Come on, say. A, B, C, D. E, F, G, H. E, F, G, H. Then I, J, K, L. Four letters. I, J, K, L. Then M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Last line, three letters. Okay. A, B, C, D. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Once again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Understood? You should also practice. Now you know the letters. You can read fast. Okay, children? Now we will start matching, children. Yes, already we have learned 10 matching. Matching letters to the pictures. Matching letters to the pictures. Now first read out and say which letters are these? P. Then C. Then Z. H. R. In this, can you show me where are these letters? P. Where is P? Yes, P is here. Yes. Next, which letter? C. Where is C? A, B, C. C is here. Then Z. Where is Z? X, Y, Z. Z is here. H. Where is H? E, F, G, H. E, F, G, H. Then which letter is this? R. Where is R? Q, R, S, T. Q, R, S, T. Now you learn A, B, C, D recognizing letters also. We will learn to read fast. Okay. We will learn to read fast A, B, C, D. Okay. Together you should be able to read. No. So we should learn little fast. A, B, C, D. E, F, G, H. I, J, K, L. M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Very good. Now we will go for matching, children. Now say which pictures are these? Cat. Which picture is this? Cat. Which picture is this? Hat you will wear on your head at summer season. Which picture is this? Rat. Which picture is this? Rat. And which picture is this? Peacock. You all like to see peacock dancing? Yes, peacock. Which picture is this? Zebra. Which picture is this? Zebra. Now say which letters will come? Cat. C for cat. C for cat. Which one is this? Hat. H for hat. H for hat. Then R. R for rat. R for rat. Then P. P for peacock. P for peacock. Then Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Now shall we match? Yes, we will match. Which letter is this? P. With P letter what we have learned? P for peacock. P for peacock. Now say where is peacock? Yes, it is peacock. So draw straight line. Okay. This is peacock. P for peacock. P for peacock. Then which letter is this? C. C for cat. C for cat. Where is cat picture? First one. So draw straight line. This is cat. Okay. C for cat. C for cat. P for peacock over. C for cat. Finish. Now which letter is this? Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Now say where is zebra? Yes, this is zebra. So draw straight line to zebra. You should also draw straight lines in your book, children. Yes. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Then which letter is this? H. H for hat. Where you will wear it on your head. So H for hat. This is H for hat. Straight line. Okay. H for hat. Say P for peacock. C for cat. Z for zebra. H for hat. Then R for rat. Where is rat? Here. Yes. R for rat. Draw straight line. Finished matching. Yes. R for rat. This is matching letters to the pictures. Letters to the pictures. Once again say P for peacock. C for cat. Z for zebra. H for hat. R for rat. Now say me what is your homework. Your homework will be A to Z in one paper and matching in another paper. So 2 papers homework you should write. Yes, A to Z one paper and matching in other paper. So shall we write your homework? HW A to Z and matching MATCHING. What is your homework? These 2 papers. Yes, I have drawn 2 papers in one paper, but you should write A to Z in one paper and matching in another paper. Is it clear, children? And matching, how you will do? That picture, cat picture should come in these 4 lines only. Yes, hat picture should come in 4 lines only. Rat picture also in 4 lines. Picture should be small in the 4 lines only. Should not go out of the lines. Yes. Peacock picture also should be in 4 lines. Zebra picture also should be in 4 lines. Yes, if you are not able to draw pictures, children, you ask your parents. Parents, please help children to draw the pictures. Yes, if you are able to draw, good, you can do it on your own. If you are not able to draw it, you can take your parents' help. But letters you should only write and matching you should only do. Only parents will draw pictures and give, and here what parents will do? Parents will draw lines and give you. Okay. Yes, divide the paper into 5 equal parts and write the letters very neatly in your classwork. Yes, page this A to Z in one paper and matching in one more paper. So, how many pages homework you have? You have 2 pages homework. How many pages homework you have? 2 pages homework. Once again, shall we read ABCD? First, we will read slowly. Then, 4 letters together we will read. Okay. Come on, say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This how we read now. One letter slowly we wrote. One letter slowly we read. Now we will read 4 letters together. 4 letters together. A, B, C, D. Come on, say A, B, C, D. Then E, F, G, H. Again A, B, C, D. E, F, G, H. Then I, J, K, L. I, J, K, L. M, N, O, P. M, N, O, P. Q, R, S, T. Q, R, S, T. U V W X Y Z. U V W X Y Z. Once again we'll read fast. Yes. A B C D. Come on, say A B C D. E F G H. E F G H. I J K L. I J K L. M N O P. M N O P. Q R S T. Q R S T. U V W X Y Z. U V W X Y Z. Yes, this is ABCD. Learn it perfectly and write homework ABCD in one paper. Then P. Yes, which letter is this? P. C. Z. H. R. Cat. Hat. Rat. Peacock. Zebra. Now we will match. P for peacock. P for peacock. C for cat. C for cat. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. H for hat. H for hat. R for rat. R for rat. Yes, your homework will be A to Z in one paper and matching in other paper. So 2 pages homework you will write very neatly. See matching how you will do. After writing P, capital P, you will leave 4 finger space gap and draw the picture. Yes, pictures don't draw very closely. You give more space, okay? 4 finger space gap leave and draw the picture so that you will be easy for you to draw the lines, okay? Draw it neatly and match straight lines. Don't simply erase and tear your paper, children. After writing ABCD, when you are writing ABCD, you will open your mouth and say each and every letter. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. Like this, you will open your mouth and spell and write each and every letter and matching, and these two, do it 2 pages homework neatly. Thank you, children.